More than 2 years have passed, and the release date of the DJI Pocket 3 still remains a mystery. Despite initial expectations and a likely timeline, the delay has left everyone curious about DJI's strategy to stay ahead in the portable camera game. Today, we're diving into the heart of this puzzle. In our previous video, we shared Deal's Drones predictions about DJI's upcoming releases. Our confidence was riding high after the successful launches of the RS3 Mini and Inspire 3. So, where's the announcement for the Pocket 3? Let's uncover the story behind it. Insiders from the industry have revealed that DJI initially planned to launch the Pocket 3 in April 2023. But then things took a twist. The Inspire 3 took the spotlight in April, pushing the Pocket 3's release back. Even the Inspire 3 faced its own delay, finally hitting the market in May 2023 instead of the initially planned March. While the clock ticks away, there's been no official word about when the Pocket 3 will finally make its debut. DJI has a habit of keeping us on our toes, usually revealing the launch date just a few weeks ahead. Yet, rumors are circulating that the Pocket 3 is in its final stages and might grace us with its presence in the autumn of 2023. The question remains, is the wait worth it? Now, let's talk features. The Pocket 3 is rumored to sport an upgraded lens, potentially even borrowing the 1-inch sensor from the Mavic Air 2. This might add a bit of weight, but the convenience factor could be a game changer. And here's the kicker: an expanded dynamic range, up to 14 stops. Think mind-blowing colors and the ability to shoot true HDR videos, a dream come true for those who love creating portrait content on platforms like TikTok, Shorts, and Reels. But that's not all. Unlike its predecessor, the Pocket 2, the Pocket 3 is expected to come with a removable battery. No more worrying about running out of juice during a shoot. With a modular design, you can easily swap batteries and keep capturing those amazing moments. Now, it's important to note that these are predictions, not certainties. DJI's Pocket series has always been a hit, challenging action cameras head-on. But remember, action cameras have their perks too. They're lightweight, waterproof, and budget-friendly. Can't bear the suspense? If waiting isn't your thing, there's a variety of similar cameras out there, like the FemiPalm 2, Profile, Pocket DJI, Osmo Action 3, and more. But in our opinion, if you're after a top-notch handheld camera, the DJI Pocket 3 is the one that's truly worth waiting for. Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more thrilling updates. Thanks for joining us.